Assembling the solar light stand is easy. Simply insert the piece with the long groove on the piece with the short groove. Make sure the solar light switch is on the on position. Next, place the 4 connectors of the solar light stand into the holes on the solar light. Press down firmly. After assembly, the solar light is easy to place into the ground. Choose the place you'd like to install the light and then push it into the ground. These solar lights offer a fantastic way to set the mood for a party or a barbecue. You can place them outside on your patio or in your backyard, or decorate them around a pool. Whatever you choose, by laying them out in different patterns, you make your guests feel warm and comfortable. You can choose from white or different colored solar lights. Combine these different colors to warm up and lighten your environment. They also provide exceptional lighting for walkways.
Meet Alora, the highest quality Himalayan salt lamp on the market, brought to you by Lavoie. Alora helps you soothe away your stress, add style elements to your home, naturally clear the air of dust, and boost your mood. While other salt lamps use inferior crystals, Alora only uses salt crystals with the best clarity, shape, and color purity. Alora is thoughtfully designed and includes unique features such as moisture management technology and our patented touch control dimmer. Try Alora for yourself and see how a salt lamp can enhance your environment.